I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mahjong in Yakuza. To begin, your primary objective is to form a complete hand, which consists of 4 sets and 1 pair. There are 3 main suits of numbered tiles, along with special honor and dragon tiles. Familiarizing yourself with these tiles and common winning patterns, such as Riichi or Tanyao, is your first step towards mastering the game and earning those valuable points. Let's delve into forming your hand. A set can be either 3 identical tiles, known as a triplet, or 3 consecutive numbered tiles of the same suit, called a sequence. Your hand also requires 1 pair of identical tiles. You can win in 2 main ways: by drawing your own winning tile, which is called sumo, or by claiming an opponent's discarded tile to complete your hand, known as ran. Now let's talk strategy. Declaring Riichi is a powerful move when you are just 1 tile away from winning, adding significant points to your score. You can also use pawn to claim a discarded tile to form a triplet, or kai to form a sequence. Always be mindful of the tiles you discard. A careless discard could inadvertently give an opponent their winning tile, so choose wisely. Finally, let's touch on scoring and some advanced tips. Your winning hand's value is determined by han, which are doubles, and fu, which are points. More han and fu mean a higher score. Keep an eye out for Dora tiles, as these can dramatically increase your hand's value. Consistent practice is key to recognizing patterns, anticipating opponent discards, and ultimately becoming a Mahjong master.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.